Hi, Sarah and Angela from Fine & Country. You join us here today at the Old Library in Leamington Spa. This is a well-known historic landmark close to all the town centre's amenities and train station.
Originally built in 1901, this Grade 2 listed building was developed in 2014 to create luxury loft-style apartments retaining many original period features. So follow us and let's take a look inside. As you can see, this stunning duplex apartment has a double height living space as well as 3 bedrooms, all with en suites.
Outside there is a shared landscape courtyard garden and gated private parking for 2 cars. Thank you for watching a tour of this beautiful property. If you'd like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact us on the details that follow.